Dino,
Ano ba? Kung tanggapin mo yan o hindi? Kasi ako masakit pa ulo ko, sir.
ayusin mo muna yan.
Grabe naman yan,
Ayusin
sir.
mo muna yung
Okay na yan, sir.
explanation mo yan.
Grabe ka naman.
Hindi ko
Sabihin mo lang
tatanggapin yan.
kung hindi mo tanggapin kasi ulitin ko na lang to.
Basahin ko ha. Hindi ko alam kung maintindihan mo itong pinagsusulat mo na English dito. I am sorry because I am absent yesterday. Because my pare out of the country, abroad. Call me through cellphone in order to went their home and eating his wife. Diyos ko por santo, my Mary lonely because her birthday yesterday. After I am tired because my Mary after eating me.
May iba mo ata yung kwento, sir, ah.
With me drink and until drunk overnight. Naintindihan mo ba to yung pinagsusulat mo rito, iho?
Naiintindihan ko po yan, sir, kasi ako ano yan, sir, ako nagsulat yan, sir, eh.
Pagkaintindi ko nito, kinain mo si Mari mo dito.